Alright, so today's video is going to be really exciting because I have a super cool sneaker unboxing. So here's the box that came in. Nike makes it a real easy job for someone who wants to steal your package to know which one's a good one to probably steal. Because obviously this is going to have Nike in it because it's from Nike. So I don't know why Nike does that. It has Just Do It tape all over it and Nike all over it. So they just make it real easy for someone to know what's inside. So shout out to Nike for that. Thank gosh my package didn't get stolen because I was right there when it came in. But before the video starts and before I show you the shoes, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. I'm almost to 100 subs. So now that that's out of the way, on to the shoes that I got. Alright, so this is a really exciting pickup because I got these from the Snkrs app. I know I actually won a Nike sneakers raffle. I was actually like 0-10 or 0-15 before that, taking so many L's on that. But the first one I entered in for 2019, I won, so that's pretty cool. If you know what's came out in the past couple days, you probably have an idea of what these are, but here's the box they come in, so that gives it away right away. Here's the shoe. I got the tan pair, not the one I originally wanted, but these will still work since I'll probably sell them since I didn't get them in my size. But I really kind of want a black pair in my size since they look really sick in pictures and I'm sure they look really nice on feet, and I'm a really big fan of black shoes. So here's the shoe, give you a close-up of it. It comes with the light blue zip ties. I know most of the other off-white shoes come with a red zip tie, so it's a nice little change. I think the Air Max 97s, the black pair, also come with a light blue one. There could be a couple others, but I'm not sure. So here it is. These look really nice in person. The color, I thought there was going to be more contrast between the different panels, but it's mostly the same color. The only thing that's a different color is the swoosh right here and the little off-white tab that all the other shoes have. But just giving you guys a close look at it, these are pretty cool. They sell for quite a bit. They sell for like in the upper 500s, but I'll probably keep them until they hit like the 600 mark, which I'm pretty sure they will because it's an off-white shoe. So this is the left shoe. I'll show you the right shoe. Alright, so here's the right shoe. This is the shoe with the lace bag. I know a lot of the earlier off-white shoes didn't have the laces in the bag, and that was one of the ways to tell if they're fake, was if the laces came in a bag you knew they're fake, but these ones come in a bag for some reason, I don't know why. Pretty much the same as the other one, same exact shoes, just this one has the lace bag attached. But these are really sick. I got them in a size 10, so I'll end up selling these eventually, but I'll probably buy the black ones also, just because those are my favorite ones out of these two, and I think these look really sick. So I don't know what you would wear this with. If I wore these, I'd probably wear them with like sweat shorts or black pants, just because that's simple, and pretty much black pants go with pretty much everything. So overall, this is a really sick shoe. Nice addition to the collection for now. So these probably won't stay in my collection for very long because I'll end up selling them eventually since they're not my size. Just wanted to give you guys a little close-up of these if you haven't seen one already. And just wanted to tell you guys that this was my first sneakers raffle win, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully I'll be able to win more in the future. I can't decide if I want to go after the Jordan 6 Black Infrareds on Saturday because I already have the 2014 pair. But the Black Infrareds are one of my favorite Jordans, so I can't decide if I want to go after them, but we'll see. You'll see a video if I end up getting them, so make sure to stay tuned for that. That's pretty much all for today's video. If you guys like these shoes, definitely cop them. They look really nice, and prices aren't too bad on them right now, but I'm sure they'll go up to the 600s eventually, since right now they're in like low 500s, mid 500s, so make sure to pick up a pair now while they're a little bit cheaper. But that's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on the video, and thanks guys for watching.